Wiener AI pre-sale ends in less than 6 days. Make sure you look now as this AI meme coin has a chance to 100x your money. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel, guys. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Wiener AI, part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot. We've been covering this gem closely for the past 2 to 3 months while it was on pre-sale, and now in 6 days and 11 hours, this will be officially going live. They raised over $7 million during the pre-sale, and now is your chance to buy before this project goes live. Looks like it's going to go on to do tremendous things, get some centralized exchange listings, get some decentralized exchange listings, and cause this to create an absolute flurry in the crypto space. We see powered by the sausage army. We can see total WAI staked over 7 billion, 64% stake, 141% in AP, and almost 3 billion total rewards paid out. And then you can follow them on social media as well. They've been featured on a ton of different articles and exchanges, but you guys already know that as we've been covering this project so closely. What is Wiener AI? Despite its hilariously sausagey exterior, Wiener AI is the pinnacle of AI trading technology. With girthy predictive features, Wiener AI is a trader's best friend. It has enhanced trading. Let's try that again. AI enhanced trading, seamless sausage swap, zero fees, and MEV protection. So not just a bot or a simple sausage, nor a simple sausage, but an AI-powered crypto trader partner designed to give you the advantage you've been searching for. You can buy a Wiener AI pre-sale, which is ending very, very soon. Outsmart the markets with Wiener AI. Wiener AI's predictive technology. Wiener AI predictive technology combined with this user-friendly AI interface allows you to consistently score through the crypto markets to find those hidden gems. Ask Wiener AI to find your next trade, and it delivers the market analysis to help you win more often than scrambling, then seamlessly swap MEV free through decentralized exchanging. So it's giving you that extra edge as a trader, having AI on your side. We know how important AI has been in the market and how much good it's done. As time, we use that to our trading strategies to start earning more money. Tokenomics is broken up in 30% pre-sale, 20% staking, 20% to community rewards, 10% to centralized exchange liquidity, and 20% to marketing. And then their master plan, aka the roadmap. Step 1, sausage army launch, Wiener AI country audit, pre-sale launch, final Wiener AI preparations, worldwide marketing campaign. Step 2, sausage army expansion, KOL blast, Ethereum network transfer over. And then step 3, token listings. The long wait is over. Wiener AI launches on global exchange platforms. This is a public Wiener AI launch. Wiener AI trading bot, not just a bot, but an AI powered trading partner. Designed to give you an advantage you've been searching for, as it's going to be very, very bullish. They have a how to buy tab, FAQ tab, and that's everything you need to know for this project. Guys, I want to go down and break this project down one more time because this is the last time we're going to be talking about Wiener AI. As there's 6 days left, it's your absolute last chance to buy. It's now or never. We have done this many times before, guys, with Dogeverse, with Solana, and a bunch of other meme coins we probably covered in the past. After they go live, they go absolutely ballistic. So now is your time to load up. Over on socials, they're doing amazing with over 15.8 thousand followers on Twitter. In terms of Telegram, they have 13,000 subscribers as well. So they've built a massive community. And again, the pre-sale ends in 7 days. Command Center is gearing up for launch, and the launch is going to be absolutely bullish. They've been doing a great job on social media and really growing this project. As this is an Ethereum token, guys, especially with the Ethereum ETFs going live, we anticipate the network is going to get more busy as well. That being said, people are going to want to buy up these Ethereum meme coins again, not just the Solana meme coins that have been dominating. So that just gives us an extra edge for us to invest in. Again, you could buy this with ETH, but if you want to, you can use USDT, card, or even BNB, but it is on the Ethereum chain. This one's going absolutely fantastic, you know, raising over $7 million. Goes to show that there's a lot of investor confidence behind Wiener AI. So again, if you like meme coins, you like that style of AI and crypto together, this may be a project you want to ape into. But again, remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Let me know how you guys feel about Wiener AI in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you loading up? Let me know. I'm definitely loading up my bag before launch. So I'll see you in the next video. It's your friend Umar. Peace.